Here are the top 5 most satisfying building demolitions ever caught on camera. The last one is so perfect, it might actually make you lose control. Comment which demolition satisfied you the most. And if you like and subscribe right now, you'll have insane luck tomorrow and 0 construction problems for a week. At number 5, the Wrecking Ball Smash. Powerful and precise. At number 4, the Lego Collapse, falling apart in perfect symmetry. At number 3, the Wah Implosion, smooth, clean, chef's kiss. At number 2, the Countdown Blast, time to perfection. And at number 1, the Nail Clipper Drop, slicing the building clean like it's nothing.